camp. We have a lot of books to bring.
Oh yeah. It's nice. Serious boot. You did a good job.
Savage. Scared needs to go up with the money.
Savage under the light as well.
And we get another one.
And you, JOL, are part of the Henderson.
Want to take a two-man job here now?
Yeah, hang on.
See how we should tighten the first one. She's coming off again anyhow, this. For the Yugen kit.
We're 4 months into the year.
Not bad.
I'm getting more
Finished. That's not a bad thing. Once they're both, yeah. One there, see no. But we're tightening the wings up now, stand while we're at
These
it.
charts? Yeah.
That's like pull forward now. So yeah, that's a risky fucking move, scary. You take it off, just end the turn.
Sean definitely tightened this.
Do you need a screwdriver?
Right.
So there are 5 LEDs scans. That's bad luck.
No bullets for these shits out.
Just leave it out. We will board it though.
What makes it out?
Out front of it.
Oh.
Oh. Throwing down is one engine there now.
Yeah man, fuck, just in case.
She'll slide forward and scrape all around her.
Very nice.
Cares then. Shit. One bit. That's a car now.
Yeah.
It's going to be up the road.
Oh my god. Look at that. That is what you call good soup. Absolutely mental. It's a far cry from what it was. And this is only the start. Like, that's all there's dust, so you can ignore that. You'll be getting a nice good clean up yet. It's the Aero boot, boot lid, whatever way you want to call it. Oh my god. Such an achievement for 3 absolute chancers. So having an iota what we're at. And today's another day of doing stuff we haven't an iota what we're at. So the first job I'm going to do is the mount for the Link ECU. Had it all knocked up, but it needs a small bit more modifications, so I'm going to get that out of the way. Catch can, it's here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Catch can. I'm going to mount that and fitted the Yugen Factory side windows. No matter what brand polycarbonate windows you get, there's always going to be a bit of a flop. And last year what we did with Allen's ones was, I don't know if they're here now. I'll come back to you in 2 seconds. Chilly baby. Right, so I can't find them. I'll have a right look later, but we ran little stays that go from the door frame, front and back, up to the window, and it pulls it in. So it creates a nice flush, sealed fit. Not the jelly baby. It'll hold it in nicely. Just when you're flying down the track, you don't have the window flopping like that. It gives it a more enclosed feeling. That's on the list. And oh, floor plate. It's actually in there. I don't know if you can see it or not. A floor plate. That has to be fitted. And what else is for doing? I'm wasting time here now, but oh, the handheld fire extinguisher, that's a must. Brian Stone won't be happy if we don't have that in. Harnesses, they can go in. Actually no, I think they're staying out for the time being, just so we don't keep belting off the lovely door bears. And yeah, right, I'll get at it. No, that wasn't a bad old jobby. So, and the plate made up, so it'll sit in like that. There's 2 rivnuts inside, say the bottom of the A pillar, the inner part of it, that this bolt and this bolt, or this hole and this hole bolt into, and then I have 4 rivnuts for the ECU mount that comes with the link, so that'll make it nice and easy to pop in and out. And when I had it out, I give the old power steering pump bracket a bit of a lick, make it a bit smarter looking. So I'm going to set up the camera and you can see me struggle trying to fit this, because as you can see, it's like a makeshift bed in there at the minute with the old snap-on mat. But for your entertainment purposes, I thought this would be a good idea, but we'll see. Anyway, parental advisory is advised, or whatever the way they fucking call it. Handling. I feel like a trapeze artist without a trapeze. Come out. Good lad. All just to fit this thing. Wild handling, hey. Jesus Christ. Oh yes. Oh yes, yes now. Oh, that's lovely. too bad. Very happy with that. And I forgot the power steering pump bracket. Jesus Christ almighty, it's nice. Come here a minute. Oh, that's all. That is solid. I'm delighted with that. Now, I might give it a quick hoover before I put in that bracket because of that old dust and swarf. So, one success. I'll try and keep this success going for the day. Now, that's all this side done. Well, pretty much. I just need to put a floor plate here, and just so if we have passengers, they don't kick the shit out of the pump or the ECU or pull wires or anything. But yeah, I'm very happy with that. Now, come out nice and tidy. Very solidly mounted. Plenty of space behind here for the PC plug, the mains plug, and the closed loop boost control plug. So yeah, starting to come together a bit more now. I had to take down the steering wheel hanger yoke thing, whatever, because I hopped my head off it so many times. It was either me or it that was going to leave the chat, so he's had to take a back seat for now. But anyway, on to the next job. Now, another job done. Window stays. You'll often see lads running a big thing up along the side here, but it doesn't seem to work as well, in my opinion. There are other ways, like you can have like a bit of brown bar and bring it up and around and down, with a lot of shaping and pricking and messing and putting on tabs and drilling holes. Or this is literally just drill a hole here, drill a hole here, and it fits and it holds it. Obviously I'm pulling against it, like, but that ain't going to be flapping going down the track. It'll keep it a bit more sealed, and it's only literally 2 holes and a few washers. I just put that on the outside because it's a very small nut. I didn't have the right washers, and I said that might tie in a bit better with the candy red. Did the same over this side then. Same idea. Move that there. Keeps it nice and tightly pulled in. Sweet, another one off the list. Oh, a few more jobbing's done. Oh, my knees a bit. Floor plate is in. Do the old sit test. Connor's not here, so I have to take the mantle to do the old sit test. Oh, jeez. Oh. That's damn nice. Make it a bit easier getting in and out as well. Something else to grip to instead of the paint on the floor. Damn handy. Now, next jobbing. This lad. Up there. So he can see who he's leaving behind him. I think sometimes to get a bit to eat as well. I'm going a bit delusional. Either that or I'm just not well in the head. Anyway, on to the next job. How are you getting on?
Getting there now. Oh, stop. I won't be one bit sorry to be pushing it up on the trailer and off to Lloyd, and then it's his baby. And you've your work cut out for you, Lloyd.
Yeah. At least you're starting with a blank base.
Yeah. Exactly.
This part here, Lloyd, is the most important one. It has to be about no less than 3 foot of a flame coming out of it.
Exactly.
Fairly coming together though, Scan.
It's getting there now. Just few little jobbings now, just tidy up and then on for wiring. Hopefully make a bit of power.
I should love them.
Yeah, well,
some different, isn't it?
serious. Now just put the boot on and the back window in. I bet she's sealed. Few fittings on, just fuel pump fitting.
Just, yeah, that's the only fitting that's left.
Vacuum lines in the engine, mount intercooler piping, wire, map it. Ah yeah.
Yeah, only a small lift.
Not much now for 3 weeks.
Is it 3 weeks?
Yep. Maybe 4.
Probably is 3 weeks from today.
Then we have to go up to bed.
By the time this video is out,
we'll have round 1.
we'll have round 1 done and probably be gearing up for round 2.
And the worst part about the whole lot of it is, the first test day is going to be Ballykelly.
Yeah.
I've drove the car once and I'm going competing in it and it's fully new again. That's fairly daunting now, to be honest with you. Sure, we'll give it a go anyhow, sure. That's half the battle.
At least you have a nice office to do it in.
Ah yeah.
We'll probably have to get you a commode for that seat though.
I was just about to say, how are you, Shiny? You're the polisher man. How are you? How are you getting to the States?
Thrift shops and there's over a spare seat. He's gonna leave a load in it.
Okay, no, that's PG rated content now, Shiny.
That's alright. Oh,
drop the GoPro.
Yeah, drop the camera though.
You got excited thinking about the commode.
Yeah. Commodes get me going. Now, this is a job we've been putting out for a while because we don't really know what we're at. But we're kind of just gone over to get the polycarbonate so we can lay it on. And I think what the plan is, we'll bond it to this and we're going to make a cutout just for filling the fuel. Because Alan's is a different setup. His boot lid is detached from, say, the boot frame, so we just normally lift off Alan's this section and can fill it because the spoilers are mounted with plates underneath, but Conors is all one piece and his spoiler is going to be mounted to the boot. So just for handiness sake and for preventative maintenance or preventing damage of splitting it here or splitting it here or whatever, we're just going to make a cutout here, reach in, open it, fuel it, and away you go. I think it's the kind of job we're probably overthinking, but one way to find out. But either way, it's going to look well. Eire. Yes.
Open the door, please.
Okay. Back window on. Connor's patience.
Gone.
Running thin.
No, gone. That fucking gimbal out of my face. Go away. Fucking idiot.
I love how you're getting very comfortable on camera.
I'm not getting comfortable. I'm getting fed up, but I'm just accepting the reality of it now that you're going to shoot.
He wanted to be a superstar and now he didn't like the fact that he's going to be on camera.
You don't see any celebrity ever like paparazzi, huh?
No, he said it.
But I ain't no celebrity, so I don't need that.
What about your... Oh no, we can't talk about the link. Yeah. We'll put it in the bio. The link for your thingamajig.